triangle, a right triangle, we know that right triangle there is a base, there is a height, and there is a hypotenuse. So take ABC is a right triangle, B is the right angle pi by 2 or 90 degree. Now we have some trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions like sine, sine. So sine theta. Actually, this is in full form sine theta. In short form, this is sin sine theta. So it is said also sine theta. So we'll take this is theta and this is alpha. So what will be sine theta? Sine theta is height by hypotenuse. Height by hypotenuse. So height by hypotenuse. So this will be AB by AC. AB by AC. And if we will take sine alpha, then what will be height? Height will be this is on behalf of alpha, AC is the height. So AC by sorry BC by AC. Now we define another trigonometric function cosine of theta. So this can be written in this form cos theta. So this will be base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. So this will be BC by AC. And if we find out cos alpha, base will be AB. With respect to this angle, base is this AC AB. So AB by AC. Now we will go to know tangent theta, or in short form tan theta. Tan theta will be height by base. Height by base. So this will be AB by BC. And tan alpha will be in reverse form. Base will be BC and height will be AB. Cotangent, another trigonometric function, cotangent theta or cot theta in short form. Cot theta will be base by height. Base by height. So tan theta and cot theta are reciprocal actually. So this will be BC by AB. And what will be cot alpha? Cot alpha will be AB AB by BC. So if we go to another to find out another quadrigonometric function, this is secant secant of theta or sec theta. This will be hypotenuse by base. So this will be hypotenuse with respect to theta, AC, and base is BC. So AC by BC, and sec alpha will be just hypotenuse will be AC, and base will be AB. And last trigonometric function is cosecant. Cosecant theta or cosec theta. This is hypotenuse by height. So this will be hypotenuse AC, and with respect to theta, the height is AB. So this will be AB. And cosec alpha will be hypotenuse AC, and with respect to alpha, height is BC. So this will be BC. Now these are the six trigonometric functions. We now we wish to know the relations between these trigonometric functions. Relation we can look if sine theta 1 by cosec theta. You can go to analyze this, find out uh, cos theta will be 1 by sec theta. 1 sec theta. This is your and tan theta will be 1 by cot theta. Cot theta. You can very easily just prove this. Now some more relations, important relations. Based on this, some problems also can be created. Important relations like sine square alpha plus cos square alpha or theta is equal to 1. So what will be the proof? Proof can be done very easily. Again, we are taking a right triangle. Take this right triangle ABC. Now we take this is right angle. We are taking this is alpha. So what will be sine alpha? So we are taking first left hand side. So sine square alpha will be sine square alpha plus cos square alpha. So equal to sine square alpha. Sine alpha will be AB by AC. So AB by AC whole square. And cos alpha what will be BC by AC whole square. Base by height. So BC by AC whole square. If we solve this, we will get in this way. The denominator will be AC square and the numerator will be AB square plus AC, BC square. If you know Pythagorean theorem, what it says, it states that height, the square on the height and the square of the base, yeah, sum of the height of the square on the height and the square on the base is equal to the square on the hypotenuse. Means AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So on the above side we will get the numerator part will be AC square and the denominator part will be AC square. It cancels each other and we will get 1. So it can be very easily proved. Now another important relation, we go the second important relation, that sec square alpha minus tan square alpha is equal to 1. This can be easily proved in this way. Again I am taking a right triangle. Now I am giving MNO and this is right angle and this is alpha. So proof. So we'll take the left hand side, sec square alpha minus tan square alpha is equal to sec means hypotenuse by base square. Hypotenuse is MO square by base is NO square. NO square minus tan alpha. Tan is height by base. So height is MN square by NO square. This is base. So if we solve these two fractions, then we will get NO square is equal to MO square minus MN square. Now again, this MO square, MN square, by Pythagorean we will get that MN square plus NO square is equal to MO square. So here, if we find out, uh, NO square will be MO square minus MN square. So on the numerator part, this is equal to no square. So this will be no square by no square. Now we will get 1. So it is very easily proved that sec square alpha minus tan square alpha is equal to 1. Now another important relation, this belong to cosec square